All right, I just posted a video here on X, here on YouTube, here on TikTok, depending on where you're watching this, right? And I put my predictions for the World Series, who I think is going to win and how many games, MVP. I even put a long shot MVP. Go to that video on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok and let me know who's going to win the World Series and how many games and who's the MVP. Somebody who gets both of those right will get, I don't know what, probably a Topps Now card. Hopefully something pretty cool. We'll see. I'll give away a Topps Now card. Let me know, who do you think is going to win the MVP? Who's going to win the World Series and how many games? Follow me on TikTok. I'm brand new. I signed up this week over on TikTok. And a winner will get a Topps Now card. Yeah. You've got to follow me on TikTok and tell me who's going to win and who's going to be the MVP. And so if nobody gets any of those right, I'll just pick a winner. But go to TikTok. Follow me.